You don't need a 45-minute diagnostic to find out where a math gap starts. I'll show you the one question that tells you exactly where the gap begins. Hey, it's Michelle, the Ignited Teacher. This is a quick win, a fast, no fluff strategy you can use tomorrow. Today, identifying a math gap in 5 minutes flat. Okay, step one, the one question vertical check. Before you do anything else, pull one question from the grade level beneath the student's current grade placement. That means the grade level that you currently teach. A prerequisite skill and give it to the student one on one. This can be done with a group or the entire class, depending on what percentage of the students are struggling with the particular skill. Say you teach fifth grade fractions. You hand that student one fourth grade question like, which fraction is bigger, 3/4 or 2/3? That single question tells you under a minute whether the foundation is even there. This is your biggest differentiator today. So give it room, don't rush past it. 60 to 90 seconds, not 30 seconds. And here's why it matters. 9 times out of 10, the math gap isn't in the current grade level content, it's in the prerequisite skill underneath it. That means the grade level before. So, step two, watch how the students solve the problem, not just if they get it right. And don't give them all day, give them 2 minutes tops. Every error you see falls into one of four gaps. A concept gap is they know the steps, but not the why. A prerequisite gap is a missing skill from an earlier grade level that's causing them not to be able to access the on grade level skill. A procedure or a strategy gap, they need a more reliable method. The one that they're using keeps breaking down. For example, a lot of my students that were entering fifth grade would come with multiplying with partial products. They didn't do well with it. So that strategy was a strategy gap that kept breaking down because there were errors. And the last one is a language or representation gap. This is when the words, symbols, or format are the real problem, not the math. So, naming which one you're looking at, not just marking the problem wrong, tells you exactly what to fix next. Step three, listen for the reading tail. Another 2 minutes. If a student stumbles on the words before they even get to the math, vocabulary, sentence structure, pronouncing a word, that's gap number four. The language representation gap. It's not a math problem wearing a math costume, it's a reading problem wearing one. And this is the most common issue that I see, especially with students that are working beneath grade level and English language learners. Also, your dyslexic students, they can fall into this category too, and this gap can persist with them as well. One of the ways that you can differentiate between a true math gap and a reading problem is to read the problem orally to the students and then have them work the problem. It takes away that barrier with the reading so that you can determine whether you're working with a reading problem or a true math problem. Now you've got the answer. Is it concept, prerequisite, procedure, or language? Reteach the current grade skill, go back further, swap in a more reliable strategy, or bring in a comprehension strategy like redraw write. That's 5 minutes, one question, a completely different math intervention plan. This 5-minute check works even better when you've got the checklist open right in front of you. Grab it for free in the link below, and I'll see you in the next quick win video.